You know what's wild? Most people believe you need acres of land to grow your own fruit. They think fruit trees only work in big backyards, on farms, or in large gardens. But today, I'm going to show you 10 fruit trees that thrive in containers. These trees grow beautifully on patios or balconies. They can produce more fruit than most people can even eat. Stay with me until the end. Because number 7 can literally pay for itself in one season. Plus, I'm sharing a bonus tip that can completely change your results with container fruit trees. Hey there, garden friend. Welcome back if you've been here before. And if you're new, you've discovered one of the most budget-friendly gardening channels on YouTube. I'm genuinely glad you're here, because today's topic changed how I think about growing food at home. We're diving into container fruit trees. And this is not your typical just plant a lemon tree kind of video. Before we jump in, do me a quick favor. If you're serious about growing food without spending a fortune, hit subscribe right now. Turn on notifications, because I release weekly videos that save you money and help you grow better. Alright, let's get into it. Number 10. The pomegranate revolution. Let me start with something that might surprise you. Pomegranates in pots might sound fancy, but these trees are practically indestructible. Look for dwarf varieties like Nana or State Fair. These are absolute powerhouses in containers. Pomegranates have compact root systems that stay happy in small spaces. They grow well in 15 to 20-gallon containers. You can often get large food-grade buckets for free from restaurants or bakeries. Those big containers are perfect for growing pomegranates. The fruit quality is just as good as full-size trees. Expect deep red arrows and a sweet tart flavor. Mature trees can produce 15 to 30 fruits per season. That can save you roughly $50 to $75 per year at grocery store prices. Pomegranates are drought-tolerant once established. Forget to water for a few days? They forgive you. Perfect for busy people or beginner gardeners. Number 9. The fig that changed everything. Figs are where things get exciting. Fig trees actually prefer being slightly root-bound. Growing figs in containers gives them exactly what they love. This means more fruit. Earlier in the season, look for varieties like Petite Negre or Chicago Hardy. These are bred to produce heavy crops in small spaces. A single container fig can produce over 100 fruits in one season. And that's not an exaggeration. Figs fruit on new growth. Even if winter kills back branches, they still produce fruit the same year. Let your fig tree dry slightly between waterings during fruiting season. This mild stress makes figs sweeter, like natural candy. Store-bought figs cost $6 to $8 for a tiny package. Homegrown figs taste dramatically better. Number 8. Blueberries that actually work. Blueberries are highly productive in containers. Most people fail because blueberries need acidic soil. Ideal soil pH is around 4.5 to 5.5. Regular potting soil won't work. Containers let you control the soil completely. Mix potting soil with peat moss, or use azalea and rhododendron mix. This helps blueberries grow better than many farms. Great varieties include Top Hat and Peach Sorbet. These stay under 3 feet tall and produce heavily. A mature blueberry bush can yield 3 to 5 pounds per year. Organic blueberries sell for $5 to $7 per pound. That means the plant pays for itself quickly. One major advantage is mobility. Need more sun? Move the pot. Frost coming? Bring it closer to the house. Need soil adjustments? Fix one pot instead of a whole garden. That flexibility is priceless. Number 7. The lemon tree secret. Meyer lemons are semi-dwarf and ever-bearing. They can have flowers, green fruit, and ripe lemons at the same time. It's like having a grocery store in a pot. One established Meyer lemon tree can produce 50 to 100 lemons per year. That's a serious return at grocery store prices. Lemons are often easier to grow in containers than in the ground. Too cold? Bring the tree inside. Pest problems? Isolate the pot. Soil issues? You control the mix. You don't need expensive citrus fertilizer. A balanced organic fertilizer works fine. Fish emulsion every 2 weeks costs about $15 per year. When lemon trees bloom, your patio smells like a citrus grove. Making lemonade from your own lemons feels deeply satisfying. Quick pause. If this video helps you, hit like. Comment below which tree excites you most. Alright, let's continue. Number 6. Dwarf peaches that over-deliver. Varieties like Bonanza and El Dorado thrive in containers. They stay around 5 to 6 feet tall and self-pollinate. They produce full-size peaches in pots. Container peaches are easier than ground-grown peaches. You can protect them from frost. You can control pests more easily. You can net them quickly. One tree produces 20 to 40 peaches per season. Store-bought peaches are often picked underripe. Tree-ripened peaches have unmatched flavor. Thin half the baby fruit early in the season. This makes remaining peaches bigger, sweeter, and healthier. Number 5. Cherries without the ladder. Dwarf cherry varieties like Romeo and Juliet work well in containers. They are easier than sweet cherries and great for fresh eating. A big advantage is bird control. Patio cherry trees can be netted in minutes. Expect 10 to 15 pounds of cherries per year. At $8 to $10 per pound, that's over $100 annually. Cherry trees also bloom beautifully. Even before fruiting, they add ornamental value. Number 4. The apple that fits anywhere. Columnar apples grow straight up and stay narrow. They fit perfectly in small spaces. Great varieties include North Pole and Golden Sentinel. They produce full-size apples on trees only 2 feet wide. You can fit multiple apple trees on a small balcony. Each tree produces 15 to 25 apples per year. Apples store well, extending your savings for months. Container apples are easier to inspect for pests. Problems get caught early. Number 3. Strawberries reimagined. Strawberries aren't trees, but they may be the most productive container fruit. Ever-bearing strawberries produce for months. One container with 6 to 8 plants can give berries almost daily. Store prices run $5 to $7 per pound. Homegrown strawberries are sweeter and fresher. Strawberry systems are self-sustaining through runners. You can stack pots, hang baskets, or build strawberry towers. This maximizes yield in minimal space. Number 2. Avocados that actually fruit. Dwarf varieties like Wurtz or Little Cato fruit in containers. One mature tree can produce 20 to 30 avocados per year. Each avocado can be worth $5 to $8. Avocados take patience, usually 3 to 4 years to fruit. Once they start, you get free avocados for decades. Key tips include excellent drainage. Avoid overwatering. Be patient. Containers allow protection from cold in marginal climates. Number 1. The banana trick. Dwarf banana plants are the ultimate container fruit. Varieties like Dwarf Cavendish or Super Dwarf grow well in pots. One plant can produce 50 to 100 bananas per harvest. Harvest often happens within 18 months to 2 years. A single bunch can weigh 20 to 40 pounds. Growing your own bananas is one of the coolest gardening experiences. After fruiting, the plant sends up pups. You can keep, gift, or sell those new banana shoots. Bonus tip: the secret that boosts all container fruit. Mulch. Add 2 to 3 inches of wood chips or straw on top of container soil. Mulch regulates temperature. Mulch retains moisture. Mulch feeds the soil as it breaks down. Tree services often give free wood chips. This one trick dramatically increases productivity. So there you have it. 10 fruit trees that thrive in containers. These trees save money and produce better fruit than store-bought. Whether you have a small balcony or a large patio, you can grow your own fruit. You don't need to break the bank to start. If this helped you, subscribe and ring the bell. Comment which tree you're starting with. Thanks for spending time with me today, garden friend. Now, get out there and grow something amazing.